ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ area between two functions የሚለው ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። In that case you have a function f of x and there is a function g of x. So you'll try to see the properties of the graph for f of x and g of x. If you consider this one, let's be this is a function f of x and let it be this is a function for g of x ሊሆን ይችላል። ስለዚህ let it be this is a point a ቢሆን let be this point is that is b. So what is the area between the function f of x and g of x between the interval a and b ብንባል you have to observe the graph here. Observe ስናደርግ which one is above the other? እዚህ ጋር observe ስናደርግ g of x is above f of x between a and b በa እና በb በመካከል g of x አችን ምንድነው greater than f of x መሆኑን ያሳያል. That means g of x is greater than f of x between a and b በዚህ መካከል at a እና b ላይ ግን ምን ይሆናል? at a and b they intersect at this points. እዚህ ፖይንት ላይ ምን ያደርጋሉ? intersect ያደርጋሉ. So the area between f of x and g of x between a and b ምን ይሆናል? The integration of this their difference between a to b, that is since g of x is greater than f of x ስለሆነ g of x minus f of x integrate with respect to x ይሄ ይሆናል ነው። this is the area between them area ይሄ ይሆናል። ስለዚህ በዛ አይነት መንገድ ነው የምንሰራው ማለት ነው። observe the properties or the types of the function that you have. ፈንክሽናችን ምን ይመስላል? በተሰጠን ኢንተርቫል መካከል which one is greater than the other የትኛው ከየትኛው ይበልጣል ካልን በኋላ የሁለቱን ዲፈረንስ በመውሰድ ያንን ዲፈረንስ ኢንተግሬት እናደርገዋለን between the given intervals በተሰጡን ኢንተርቫል መካከል ኢንተግሬት ስናደርግ we get the area between two functions በሁለቱ ፈንክሽን መካከል ያለውን ኤሪያ ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። The other thing, what is the area between f of x and g of x ልንባል እንችላለን። f of x and g of x. In that case ምንድነው የምናደርገው? You'll try to find the intersection of f of x and g of x by making or by equating them. ሁለቱንም ፈንክሽን የተሰጡንን ፈንክሽኖች ኢኳል በማድረግ ኢንተርሴክት የሚያደርጋቸውን ፖይንት እናገኝና በዛ በፖይንቶቹ መካከል ያለው ቫሉ የትኛው ከየትኛው ይበልጣል የሚለውን ካወቅን በኋላ again you'll try to find the integration of their difference የነሱን ዲፈረንስ ኢንተግሬሽናቸውን እንወስዳለን ማለት ነው። let be their intersection a and b ቢሆን in this case if f of x between them is greater than g of x ከሆነ take the difference between f of x and g of x እንወስዳለን and integrate this with respect to x በማድረግ ኤሪያውን ማግኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። let us see this with example እነዚህን እስኪ በኤግዛምፕል እናያለን። say that find area between functions f of x is equals to this one and g of x is equals to this ይላል። no points are given በእነዚህና በዚህ ኢንተርቫል መካከል ወይም ደግሞ ኢንተርቫሉ አልተሰጠንም ካልሰጠን ምን እናደርጋለን? equate them equal በማድረግ we can find their intersection ማግኘት እንችላለን. before that let's try to sketch the graph of them separately. እስኪ draw እናድርግ. if we consider f of x የመጀመሪያውን ስንወስድ by considering the x and y intercept ስንወስድ y intercept means make x 0 ስለሆነ y intercept this becomes -4 ይሆናል -4 when we'll try to find the value of x intercept ስንወስድ f of x 0 ከሆነ ማለት the value of x is -2 and 2 ይሆናል ማለት this means x squared minus 4 is equal 0 that means x squared is equal 4 this show that x is equals plus or minus 2 ይሆናል. Since the leading coefficient here is x squared its degree is 2 so the coefficient positive this show that the graph it is parabola and it opens upward ያደርጋል this graph. This is the function f of x is equals to x squared minus 4 ይሆናል. Similarly let's try to sketch the graph of g of x. g of x similarly sketch ስናደርግ let's try to find x and y intercept ስንወስድ y intercept means make x 0 x 0 ስናደርግ the value becomes 4 ይሆናል it is 4 when make g of x 0 ሲሆን x intercept ስንፈልግ x squared is equals 4 ስለሚሆን the value of x is -2 እና 2 ይሆናል -2 and 2 so it turns back ወይም ደግሞ open downward ነው የሚሆነው ለምን leading coefficientአችን ኔጌቲቭ ስለሆነ the graph opens downward ይሆናል ግራፋችን ይሄን ይመስላል ማለት ነው። so we asked area between f of x and g of x ስለሆነ this is value that is g of x ፈንክሽናችን g of x ነው which is equals -x squared plus 4 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። በሁለቱ መካከል ስለሆነ የተጠየቅነው ኢንተርሴክት የሚያደርጉበትን ፖይንት ኮንሲደር እናደርጋለን ማለት this is the area between them ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው። ስለዚህ በኔጌቲቭ 2 እና በሁለት መካከል you have to take arbitrary point መውሰድ ትችላላችሁ። arbitrary point for instance 0 ስንወስድ 0ን ስንተካ f of x ምን ይሆናል? f 0 - 4 -4 ይሆናል። gx ላይ ስንተካ ግን x 0 ሲሆን ኔጌቲቭ 0 ስኩዌር plus 4 ሲሆን 0 plus 4 4 ይሆናል። የትኛው ይበልጣል? on this interval g of x is greater or equal f of x on the interval -2 to 2 በእነዚህ ኢንተርቫል ምን ያደርጋል? on this interval g of x is greater than f of x ይሆናል። that means the area of this region becomes area is equals to integration between -2 to 2 with g of x minus f of x እናደርጋለን ማለት የዚህን ኢንተርሴክሽን ማነው ኢንተግሬሽን ኦፍ their difference በመውሰድ በኔጌቲቭ 2 እና በሁለት መካከል ኢንተግሬት በማድረግ ኤሪያውን ማግኘት እንችላለን። ለምን? g of x is greater than f of x ስለሆነ which is equals -2 to 2 g of x -2 to 2 g of x is -x squared plus 4 minus f of x that is x squared plus 4 ይሆናል። with respect to x integrate እናደርጋለን። what the value now which is equals የምን ይሆናል? ከኔጌቲቭ 2 እስከ 2 ኢንተግሬት ስናደርግ -x squared minus x squared that is -2x squared ይሆናል። 4 plus 4 that is 8 8 minus 2x squared integrate with respect to x integrate እናደርጋለን። ይሄን ኢንተግሬት ስናደርግ what the value now this is equals to integration of this 8 that is 8x integration of 2x square ማለት ፓወሩ ላይ በ1 ጨምረን እናካፍላለን ብለናል። yes this is 2x the power of 3 divided by 3 between -2 to 2 እንወስዳለን ማለት ነው። ይሄው now substitute the values ስንተካ which is equals the area is equals to 8 times 2 minus 2 into that is x cube. X cube means that is 2 cube over 3 minus subtract this one 8 times -2 minus twice of it is -2 cube over 3 እናደርጋለን ማለት we have this one እንወስዳለን። when you solve this is equals to 8 times 2 that is 16 minus 2 times 2 cube ማለት 8 ስለሆነ 8 times 2 that is 16 ሆነ so it is 16 over 3 ሆነ ማለት ነው። minus take this one 8 times -2 means -16 8 times -2 is that is -16 minus 2 times -2 cube ማለት -8 ስለሆነ -8 ሲባዛ -2 ምን ሆነ 16 over 3 ሆነ ማለት ነው። take the difference now this becomes multiply both of -16 and 16 over 3 by negative ስናባዛ this becomes 16 plus 16 minus 16 over 3 here is minus 16 over 3 ሆነ so this one this is equals to 16 plus 16 means that is 32 minus 16 minus 16 over 3 ስለሆነ this is minus 32 over 3 ሆነ የጋራ 32 ስለሚኖረን this is 32 into 1 minus 1 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 1 minus 1 over 3 ማለት 2 over 3 ስለሚሆን 2 over 3 times 32 which is equals 64 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። this is the area between them ኤሪያው this much square unit ይሆናል ማለት ነው። በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ሶልቭ ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። በሌላ ወይ እንዴት ነው የምንሰራው? here we have the figureአችን ምንድነው? here we have this is take this one above x-axis one area and below x-axis the other area ሁለቱን ኤሪያ እንወስዳለን። above x-axis ላይ ስንወስድ between -2 to 2 g of x is what above x-axis ነው ወይ ደግሞ positive values ነው። positive value ስለሆነ g of x ለብቻው በ-2 እና በ2 መካከል ኢንተግሬት እናደርጋለን። similarly f of x አችንን ስንወስድ በ-2 እና በ2 መካከል our f of x is what below x-axis ነው። below x-axis ስለሆነ take the negative of what the integration of f of x between -2 to 2 እንወስዳለን። after that take their sum እዛ ማይነት መንገድ መስራት እንችላለን። let us this one, let's take this is area 1, let it be this one is area 2 ብለን በሁለት እንክፈል። so area 1 is the sum of the areas equals area 1 plus area 2 ይሆናል። as we did before, area 1 means between -2 to 2, that must be g of x between this one. area 1 means integration of g of x between -2 to 2 ይሆናል dx, plus in case of area 2, that means we take between -2 to 2 and negative of f of x እንወስዳለን። ለምን? since it is below x axis ስለሆነ። በሌላ አነጋገር since it is below x axis ስለሆነ this is equals to integration between -2 to 2 is 4 minus x square dx, plus which is negative of this is -2 to 2, it says x square minus 4 ስለሆነ it becomes 4 minus x square, negative of that dx ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይህን ስንሰራ what's the integration of this? 4 minus x square means which is 4x minus integration of this one x cube over 3 between -2 to 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። plus the second one, this is 4x minus x cube over 3 between -2 to 2 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። በሌላ አነጋገር ምን ማለት twice of them is twice አይሆንም twice ይሆናል, which is equals twice of this means that is 8x minus 2x cube over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። between -2 to 2 ይሆናል። insert the value now, which is equals 8 times 2 minus twice of 2 cube 3 minus 8 times -2 ሁለት ሲባዛ -8 ሲቀነስ ሁለት ሲባዛ -2 the power of 3 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። this is over 3. calculate this one. and simplify ስናደርግ 8 ሲባዛ 2 that is 16 minus this one is 16 over 3 ይሆናል minus this is 8 times -2 means -16 ስለሆነ -16 times -1 plus 16 ይሆናል። here is -2 times -8 means that is positive 16 ስለሚሆን multiply by this -1 it becomes -16 over 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ማለት 32 minus 32 over 3 ይሆናል, which means 32 times 3 means 96 ስለሚሆን 96 minus 32 means which is equals 64 over 3 square units ይሆናል። በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ሶልቭ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። በሁለቱም መንገድ ብትሰሩ you get the same result። ስለዚህ area between two function ለማግኘት በኢንተርሴክት የሚያደርጉበትን ፖይንት በማግኘት between that intersecting point by taking their differenceአቸውን በመውሰድ ኢንተግሬት በማድረግ የምናገኘው value that is the area between two function ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኢንተርሴክሽናቸው ግን -2 እና 2 ሆኗል። ወይም if you want you can say this ምን ማለት ስላላችሁ which is equals make this is f of x is equals to g of x አድርጋችሁ መስራት ትችላላችሁ to find their intersection. this means x square minus 4 is equals to negative x square plus 4 ይሆናል። collect like terms collect ስናደርግ x square እና minus x square ስንሰበስብ which is 2x square is equals this one take negative 4 to the right side ስንወስደው ምን ይሆናል 8 ይሆናል። divide both sides by 2 በሁለት ስናካፍል x square is equal 4 ይሆናል። 8 divided by 2 that is 4. but the value of x is equals to plus or minus the square root of 4 ይሆናል። that means the value of x is equals -2 or x is equals 2 ሆነ ማለት። ስለዚህ ኢንተርሴክት የሚያደርጉበት ፖይንት -2 እና 2 ስለሆነ በእነዚህ ኢንተርሴክት በሚያደርጉበት ፖይንት መካከል ዲፈረንሳቸውን በመውሰድ ኢንተግሬት በማድረግ የምናገኘው ምን ይሆናል area between the two function ይሆናል ማለት።